In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve issues when Linkvertise is not loading properly. These steps are simple and should help get the site working again. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Open a new tab and search for Internet Speed Test to check your download and upload speeds. A slow or unstable connection can prevent websites from loading correctly. If your connection is unstable, consider switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data. This can quickly determine if the problem is related to your current internet source. Next, check if you are using a VPN. Some browser-based VPN extensions or system-wide VPNs can slow down connections and interfere with website loading. Temporarily disabling your VPN may resolve the issue. If Linkvertise still isn't loading, clearing your browser's cache data can help. Open your browser settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to include cached images, files, and site data. After clearing the data, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then try accessing Linkvertise again. This ensures all cache data is cleared and the browser starts fresh. At this point, Linkvertise should load correctly. If issues persist, it may be a temporary problem on their server side, in which case waiting a few minutes or hours could resolve it. That's all there is to it. By checking your connection, disabling VPNs, and clearing browser data, most loading issues can be resolved quickly. Thanks for watching and make sure to follow for more tutorials.